Time to dump oil in it and see what happens. Have the oil that I'm going to use, Castrol GTX 5W20. RaceLine say the oil pan will take 5 quarts. This is a 5-quart jug, so I should be good to go just to dump this in. I don't really care for the videos where they make a sport out of trying to pour without a drop getting everywhere. Just use a fucking funnel. We'll let that sit for a minute and get down into the oil pan. Well, this is a blurry mess that I can't get to resolve, but, oh, there we go. You're not going to be able to see it, but 5 quarts is right in the middle of the 2 notches on the dipstick. 710, 5W20. Okay, so I've disconnected all the injectors. That is the oil pressure. That's what I'm looking for when I crank it over. All right, so I'm seeing 1 oil pressure, 1 psi pop up, so maybe I'll do the real test and kill it if it doesn't get pressure. Oh yeah, we have pressure. Now that I have oil in it, I can check, and I for sure have a small pan leak. It does appear to be leaking a little bit, just a little from the back end of the pan, so maybe I didn't seal it quite correctly. I'm going to see how bad that drip is. I've got this glass here, which is graduated tablespoons, ounces, things like that. So I've put that under the drip, and I'll leave it there for a few hours, come back, see what the volume is over a couple of hours. Spoiler alert, it was bad. So after work, I whizzed off the pan, cleaned up all the surfaces, threw down a nice thick bead of silicone all around. Then I gingerly put the pan into place, a little bit better than I did last time, and got it all bolted up. Yeah, tomorrow night I'll give it another try and see if it leaks.